Topic: making phone calls. Speak clearly in English on the phone. Hello and welcome back to Easy English Talks. I'm Alex, your English podcast host.
And I'm Mia. Today we're doing something a little different. We're making phone calls in English.
That's right. Many learners feel nervous talking on the phone because you can't see the other person. It's all about listening and speaking clearly.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident picking up that phone.
Why phone English is important.
Alex, do you remember your first phone call in another language?
Oh yes, I was in Spain trying to call a taxi. I was sweating just saying hola.
Mine was calling a doctor in Germany. I had to say my name 5 times.
That's the thing. No body language, no facial cues, just your voice.
So, let's help our listeners learn how to start a phone call in English.
Here are a few useful phrases. Hello, this is Alex speaking. Hi, may I speak with Mia, please? I'm calling about... Could you repeat that, please?
And don't forget tone. Speak slowly and clearly.
Phone call with a friend. Hello?
Hi, this is Mia.
Hey Mia, it's Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What's up?
Just wanted to ask, are you free for dinner tonight?
Tonight? What time?
Around 7?
Sounds great. Let's meet at the cafe on Main Street.
Perfect, see you there. Business phone call.
Good morning, Greenway Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Parker, please.
Sure, what day works for you?
Is Thursday morning available?
Yes, 10:30 a.m.
Perfect. And may I ask, do I need to bring anything?
Just your ID. We'll see you Thursday.
Thank you very much, bye. Useful phrases and mistakes to avoid.
Let's go over a few useful phone phrases again. I'm calling to ask about... Can you speak a little slower, please? The line is bad. Can you repeat that? Thank you for your help.
And here are a few mistakes to avoid. Talking too fast. Not saying who you are. Not asking for clarification when confused.
If you don't understand, say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, could you repeat, please?
Can I make an appointment?
Phone English is a skill. Practice makes perfect.
And that's a wrap on episode 7, making a phone call in English.
We hope this gives you more confidence to answer or make calls in real life or even on Zoom.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with someone learning English.
And let us know in the comments. What's the hardest phone call you've ever made in English?
See you next time with another practical, real-life English conversation on Easy English Talks.